Hey everyone, my name is Navitz, and today I'm going to show you how you can use face masks like this to generate income while streaming using Streamlabs. Now, how does this face mask happen? Let's go ahead and get into this really quickly. Oh, sorry, they're kind of funny and I can see my own face, so it's getting me. Oh, quickly, things that you need to know. My name is Navitz, twitch.tv/Navitz if you want to see Dota gameplay, and you need this piece of software, Streamlabs OBS, to be able to use these face masks. To download Streamlabs OBS, in my affiliate link in the description, you can download it there, and if you do download it from that link and install, it supports me, so I would appreciate that. Okay. Into this, how do we enable face masks? We go to dashboard inside of Streamlabs OBS. After you download and install it, you go to face masks, and then you go ahead and click enable. There will be one big enable button there. You click it, then you go over here, you set which webcam you want to use. I have two set up, so I've got one of my Logitech set up. Enable face masks, yes, and set the face mask duration. Now your face mask duration is set, and you can go to your alert boxes and set up all of the settings that you want for your face masks. So over here in face masks, you can go ahead and put whatever you want for the general alert. You can set the font, the names, the customizations with everything else the same way you could with all other alerts before. Back to the editor, how can we test it out? You go to test widgets, you click mask down here to see what your alert looks like, and finally, I've already shown you that, what it looks like on the donation page. You put this typically in your Twitch panel, streamlabs.com/Navitz/masks. That will be your link. Whatever your Twitch name will be here. It will bring them to this page, and they can look through crates. They can look at face masks that are available. They can make you a golden god/super saiyan, all kinds of different stuff. They can set their donation amount down here, set a donation message, and it's a way to incentivize your viewers to donate by allowing them to do cool stuff like put masks on your face that look like, what is this? Oh, I got something on my head. I don't really even know. Oh, it's green. By the way, this is something that I didn't know would happen. If there are green, if you have a Chroma Key Filter on and there is green, it will highlight out the green characteristics of, or the green elements of the face mask. So that's kind of weird. Let's wait. Time to do this really quick. Do I have time to do this really quick before it disappears? Chroma Key Filter is off. There it is. So you guys can see all of the green right here. That's so interesting that we got to see that before the filter went away. All right, twitch.tv/Navitz. Like if you liked, subscribe if you want to see more cool stuff for streamers. This is a cool way to generate income while you're streaming. It incentivizes donations and things like that through Streamlabs. Thank you very much, and goodbye.